All right, team. What's next on the agenda?
It's the Wilkinson Mansion. The place has been in the news lately. The smell followed Jimmy wherever he moved. That was a little frustrating for me. It's always frustrating when the skeptic is the one who experiences the evidence. I saw a shadow or a light pass by this space over here. If that was you.
Sure you want to go back in?
Yeah.
All right, well then let's go back in, all right? Come on, guys, let's get a move on.
Oh my God. I don't believe in you.